Welcome to day 26. Today we are going to discuss about feeling good. I was practicing mindfulness and meditation for more than 20 years, and still I turned towards the law of attraction, the practices of law of attraction, and I am getting very good results when I am practicing this. And the most important thing I like about the law of attraction is, in the law of attraction, it's very important to feel good, because when you are feeling good, you attract more things in your life to feel good about. So that means you are attracting good things in your life, you are attracting good people, good circumstances in your life. In mindfulness and meditation, what happens is you have to be equanimous, you have to be detached from the thoughts and feelings. But the normal human tendency is we get carried away. We don't like bad thoughts, bad feelings. We like good thoughts, good feelings. So we get carried away with them. And many bad thoughts and feelings come in our mind when we are doing meditation, and they always don't feel good. So I was somewhere caught in it. But when I started practicing mindfulness, I came to know about the importance of feeling good. And it is so important. It is so important to feel good. And it really feels good to feel good. Because see, whatever we are doing in our life is to be happy, to feel good. If I am doing a career, if I am raising my children, if I am doing anything, even if I am pursuing a hobby, what is the end result of it? The end result of it is I want to feel good. I want to feel happy. I want to feel joyful. So, the law of attraction teaches us to feel good, not as a destination of something, not that if you achieve this thing, that thing, then only you will be happy. No, in the law of attraction practices, it is the foundation, it is the first thing. You feel good first, and then you will attract the good things in your life. And when I started feeling good, I really started enjoying it. And how are the ways? See, just by saying feel good, you don't feel good. There has to be some practical tools and techniques to feel good. And I started practicing that. The first and most important thing was gratitude. I started writing gratitude and feeling gratitude. I started expressing gratitude. I have done a special video course on gratitude, the magic book by Rhonda Byrne. It is a 7 days course, but actually in her course, Rhonda prescribed 28 days practices. So, you can practice gratitude, start with gratitude. You can practice love. Start feeling love for something, someone. Start expressing love for someone, something, and you really feel good when you start practicing love. Then you start practicing forgiveness. You really feel great when you forgive someone from the root of your heart. You get released from the prison you have made for yourself when you were not forgiving. Start forgiving. Then practice happiness. You can be happy even without any reason. Start being happy without any reason. You always don't need any reason to be happy. And it is an enormous feeling. It's really feels very great to be happy. Then there are some small things. Sense of fulfillment. For example, sense of fulfillment gives you lots of feel good. Suppose today I have completed 26 videos of this video course. I am getting that sense of fulfillment and I am feeling good. You reward yourself with something. Suppose I give myself a bouquet of flower today because I have completed 26 days, I'll definitely feel good. Celebrate this event. Celebrate everything in your life and you will feel good. Wear some good clothes, you will feel good. All our festivals are some reasons to feel good and they attract more good thing in our life. So celebrate festivals, celebrate small events in the family, celebrate your own victories. Let it be even very small. So suppose for example today you have done 1 kilometer walk, celebrate it, feel good, pat yourself for it, encourage yourself to do it. Same thing is applied to all other people in your life. Suppose you have children, you can encourage your children, reward them for very small things and see the results. See, training someone, there are two techniques of training, either punishing or rewarding. And it has been proved scientifically that rewarding has given the best result rather than punishing. So when you want to punish someone, tell yourself that study has proved that rewarding is beneficial, more beneficial than punishing. Same thing applies to you. Don't punish yourself. Reward yourself for doing something good and see what happens. So today's message is feel good. Feel good throughout the day. Find out some techniques for feeling good. Find out some ways and means to feel good. And feel good is a means, it's not a destination. Start feeling good from starting and during the journey. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.